kimikoARTS. Today, we are going to be learning how to draw your very own Minecraft character. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look.
Today we're going to be drawing a Minecraft character kind of like Steve. If you want to make your own Minecraft character, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So the first thing that we're going to do is break your Minecraft character down into the basic shapes. So I'm going to start with the head. Now, what basic shape do you think the head would be? I think it would be a rectangle. So you're going to make a rectangle for the head close to the top of the page. Then we're going to be drawing two lines coming out that are your Minecraft character's big broad shoulders. And then you're going to be drawing a long rectangle that is going to be his body. Once you have that, you're going to add the arms. So for the arms, you're going to draw, again, two rectangles on both sides of the body. And you can make them as long or as short as you like. Then you're going to add sleeves to the shirt and a line that separates the shirt from the pants. Once you have that complete, you can add a few more little details, like a line for the shoes, a few little lines for a pocket, and then a collar. Once you have that, you can add some details to the head and the face. I'm going to add a little hairline here, and then two rectangular eyes, a rectangle nose, and a mouth. Once I have that complete, I can take a step back and look to see where I might need to adjust my lines a bit. And I might erase some of the lines that make it a bit confusing to see which lines I want to keep when I do my final outline. Then I'm going to take my permanent marker and I'm going to start outlining all of the lines that I want to keep.
contour or edges of your drawing, be sure to erase all the pencil lines. This will make sure your Minecraft character will look more polished and exceptional. There you have it, your very own Minecraft character ready to be customized. Well done. I hope your Minecraft character turned out super cool. To make your character look extra unique, you can add your favorite colors and extra details. If you would like to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.